Is there room in your kitchen for one more kitchen utensil? Whether there is or not, I'm going to suggest that you make space for a clay pot. Health benefits of clay pot cooking. Number 1. Foremost health benefits of clay pot cooking come from its ability to circulate steam throughout cooking. This provides plenty of moisture and means that you can cook with less oil and fat. Number 2. Since clay is alkaline in nature and when food is cooked it neutralizes the pH balance of food and hence acts as a natural detox. You will be surprised to know that mud contains all the possible vitamins, even vitamin B12. Number 3. Slow cooking process retains all the nutrients of the food that we cook and hence the food is much tastier. Number 4. Reheating the food always leads to loss of nutrition, but if you cook in a clay pot, it retains the temperature for a longer time and no worries for reheating, hence there is no need to transfer it to a casserole. Benefits of drinking water from clay pot. Improves metabolism and digestion. Help in preventing sunstroke. Alkaline. In nature. Eco-friendly natural way of cooling water. Healing properties. Absence of toxic chemicals. Cure for gastric and acidity problem. Gentle on the throat. Good for health. Cheaper than plastic bottles. Seasoning. A clay pot. If you season your pot properly, it will become durable and likely last for a long time. Without proper seasoning, however, there's a high risk of the pot cracking. There are a couple of different methods of seasoning. Immerse the new clay pot in a big vessel full of water for 48 hours days. And then scrub off the mud inside the clay pot using a scrubber. Let it dry for a few hours. Your pot is ready to be used. Cleaning the clay pot. Because clay is porous, you cannot clean it using soap or normal dishwashing detergent. You need to clean a clay pot using hot water and a stiff brush. Fill the pot with hot water and wait for half hour. Discard the water and wash it again. Baking soda can be used to remove the odors, especially if you have cooked with onion and garlic. Temperature control. For stovetop cooking, start on low heat and gradually increase the temperature, usually staying at medium heat or lower. Sudden rise or fall of the temperature may lead to cracking.